How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days. Hello guys, so all what you want to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then you need to wait a few seconds right here. And now as you can see this page, you will find all the apps. Search for Instagram, click on it like this, click on this full stop option, click on the storage, click on clear cache. Now go back to the home page, open your Instagram, and last thing you want to do is go to your profile, go to the settings and click on the settings, click on the help, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking. Now on this page, all what you want to do is just contact the support of Instagram so they can help you with this problem easily and fast. And that's it guys, it's very easy. They will answer you in less than 24 hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.